Hey there. In this video, I'll show you how to change template on Wix step by step. I'll show you this on the web version. First, head to your Wix dashboard and click Create New Site. Wix will ask you some questions about your website type. Choose the option that fits what you're building and hit Next. You might see an option to select pages and features, but you can skip this step if you want. You'll see 3 options for how to build your site. Click Begin with a template. Don't choose the custom built option or you'll end up in Wix's AI builder. Once you click that, the template gallery opens. Browse through and find the template you want to switch to. If you need to narrow it down, use the filter at the top. When you've found the one you like, hover over it and click Edit. The Wix editor opens with your new template ready. Keep this tab open. Go back to your Wix dashboard in another tab. Find your existing site and click to open its editor. Once your old site loads in the editor, look at the left sidebar and click on Menus and Pages. A panel opens showing all your pages. Right-click on the page you want to copy and click Copy. You can also use Ctrl+C or Command+C on Mac. Switch back to the browser tab where your new site is open. Click Menus and Pages in the left sidebar again. Right-click anywhere in the panel and you'll see 2 options, Paste or Paste and Apply Site Theme. If you pick Paste and Apply Site Theme, it'll match the colors and fonts of the new template. Either way works. A dialog appears asking you to name the page. Enter the page name. The page appears in your new site's page list. Go back to your old site tab and repeat this for every page you wanna. Transfer, copy the page, switch to the new site tab, paste it, name it. Yes, it's tedious, but it's the only way to move your content over. Once all your pages are copied, you'll probably want to adjust some things. The header, navigation, and footer come from the new template, but the page content keeps its original styling. Go through and tweak fonts, colors, or layouts so everything looks consistent with the new template. When you're done, you can reassign your domain and premium plan to the new site from your Wix account settings. Your old site stays live unless you delete it, and all your media files are accessible from any site in your account through the Media Manager. And that's how to change template on Wix. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.